Imagine a world where AI doesn't just say unsafe, but explains why step by step. Today, we're diving into UniMod, a breakthrough framework that transforms safety moderation from a black box binary decision into a structured reasoning journey. Traditional models rely on sparse binary labels, safe or unsafe. This leads to shortcut learning. Models exploit surface-level cues instead of truly understanding multimodal risks. The result? Poor generalization, unreliable justifications, and fragile safety. UniMod flips the script. It breaks down moderation into a multi-attribute trajectory. 1. Evidence grounding, what's actually in the image and text. 2. Modality assessment, is the risk in the image, text, or both? 3. Risk mapping, is it privacy, bias, toxicity, or legality? 4. Policy decision, should we allow or refuse? 5. Response generation, with a constructive, empathetic refusal. This isn't just explanation, it's dense supervision. Each step is evaluated with fine-grained feedback. To power this, they built UniRM, a multi-head scalar reward model that scores each stage independently, using a shared backbone with decoupled heads. They solve interference with headwise weight subspace decoupling and stochastic head scheduling, ensuring stable, efficient training. And the results? UniMod achieves SOTA performance on multimodal safety benchmarks, using less than 40% of the training data required by leading models. It's not just faster, it's smarter. In one case, the model sees a child with an axolotl under an illegal sign. It doesn't just flag it, it traces. Text and image work together, right arrow multimodal. Encourages lawbreaking, right arrow legality risk. Refuses with a safe alternative, right arrow constructive response. This is transparency with teeth. No more guessing. No more over-refusal. Just grounded, interpretable, robust safety. UniMod proves that structural reasoning beats brute force scaling. The future of AI safety isn't just bigger models, it's smarter thinking. This is how we build AI that doesn't just avoid harm, but understands it.